Hello everyone, welcome back to BigChills channel. On today's video, I'll be talking about what we often see in our catfish pond, which is algae. So, algae, what is algae? Is algae good for our fish or it can cause problem? So I'll be breaking it down in a simple way. What is algae? Algae are tiny green plants that grows naturally in water. For example, we have them here. You can see those greenish something you're seeing inside this pond. Yes. If you notice your pond water is turning green, it usually means algae is present. They appear in almost every fish pond. You can check your pond right now, you will see it inside. And farmers, we need to know the benefits and the danger. So, what are the good parts of algae? Because algae are not always bad. In fact, a moderate growth of algae is benefit to your pond and to your fish. Number 1, oxygen production. During the day, algae release oxygen into the water through photosynthesis, that's from the sun, and it helps our catfish breathe better. Number 2, natural food. Some type of algae provide nutrients and acts as small food source for fish. Number 3, water balance. Algae helps to absorb some harmful substances and keep the water more stable. Number 4, healthy pond sign. If algae is moderate, it shows your pond is fertile and active. So a little algae is actually a good thing. So let's talk about the bad side of algae. The problem comes when algae grow out of control, and here is why. Number 1, oxygen crash at night. So at night, algae stop producing oxygen and start using it, and this will reduce the oxygen level in your pond and cause your fish to stress or even death. Number 2, toxins. Some species like blue or green algae release harmful toxins into your pond that can poison your fish. Number 3, poor water quality. So when too many algae dies, they decompose and release ammonia into your pond, which then later pollutes the water. Number 4, stress on fish. Thick algae cover can make your water dirty, reduce visibility, and cause your catfish to stress. So why algae are good or it can help? Too much of it can kill your catfish. So how do you manage algae or keep it under control? Number 1, change water regularly. Fresh water helps to reduce algae growth. Number 2, avoid overfeeding. Excess feed increase waste and makes algae grow fast. Number 3, provide aeration. Air stones or pump add oxygen to balance what algae takes at night. So if you can afford one, please do so. Number 4, reduce direct sunlight. Cover pond with net or tarpaulin to prevent overgrowth. Number 5, keep monitoring. Always check your pond color and fish behavior. So algae can be both good and bad in catfish farming. A little algae is useful, but too much of it can harm your fish. So as a farmer, the key is balance and regular monitoring. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, please like this video and share it to other farmers. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can see more of catfish farming tips and poultry farming tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.